Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds on the Brawl Stars game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Brawl Stars game on your device. And if you're playing the game for the first time, you will be asked to complete the basic tutorial levels. Once you have completed these levels, you will gain access to the main menu, from which you will also see the various different settings. Tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, and now you will see the settings button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now underneath the settings you will see the sound effects as well as the music option. Just tap on these options and set them to off, and now this will turn off the sound effects as well as the music option within your game right away. You can go back to enjoying your game now, and now you will notice that no more sounds are playing within your game. You can come back to this settings menu at any point in time in order to change back these settings and turn on sound once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds within the Brawl Stars game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.